Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and of course I've been talking a lot about version 2004, the next version of Windows 10, and of course if you look at my version, I'm actually there right now, which is 19.041.84, and well, there's a Twitter post. It's just funny because the Twitter just came in, but everybody, a lot of people are asking me, is there a way to download this and install the latest version of Windows 10 for this year? So this is, of course, something that is not officially announced, officially released. It's still in the insider process, so it's a slowing insider build. But we know that it's the official version of Windows 10 20H1. It's what we call, or we used to call, RTM, or retail to manufacturing. So if you want to have that now, and let me just say one thing. If you're a regular user, don't do this. Just, wait for that to arrive at some point. If you're a tech enthusiast and, you like having fun, you know how to reinstall Windows, well, you can try it. Why not? Have fun and check it out. But this is definitely still in the testing phase, so there could be some issues, I'd say that my install is going well, but it's not 100% installed. There's little things here and there that are kind of weird. But it works well overall, and that's why it's still being tested, and that's why it's still not released. It's going to be released eventually in April of 2020. So I will post the link here. You can download the image of this version of Windows. You can create a bootable USB thumb drive. You can create a DVD and do a clean install of Windows 10 version 2004, or what is 20H1, or what is probably April 2020 update. With this, like I said, who should install this? People that know what they're doing. Who should not install this? If you're just asking, should I install this? You're already in the category that should not install it. People that need or want to install this know that they want to. I did because I wanted to. But, if you want to just stay safe, don't do this. But I am actually showing you this because some of you out there, more adventurous and, tech enthusiasts that want to have it and do a clean install with it, well, here you'll know that it's available. So I'll post the link to this webpage in the description below the video. You need to have a Microsoft account. It's very important. Without a Microsoft account and without being logged in, you're not getting this. And you go down this page, and down the page you will download. And it's very important. Click, select edition, and select Windows 10 Insider Preview Slow Ring 19041. This is actually an image of the latest official version. So I showed you here that I'm at 19.041.84. Well, that is the image. You have the latest updates on it, cumulative updates, security updates. It's what you get. And it's what I've been testing. In my case, it's working. Like I told you, there's a few weird things, but it's working great. So if you want to try it, the link is in the description below the video. And you can download the next version of Windows 10 already. We know it's official, that it's that build. So have fun. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.